Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel PowerPoint 3A and 3B simulation exam. So open the PowerPoint 3A and 3B simulation exams. So click the start. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is PowerPoint 3A and 3B simulation exams. Click the launch. So open the PowerPoint 3A and 3B simulation exam. So total question is 13 and we move to the question number 1. On slide 4, format the slide background with the pictures, butterfly, JPG, PowerPoint and chapter 6 folders. So on a slide 4 and format the backgrounds. So format the backgrounds and click the pictures and insert the pictures from files to PO3 butterfly JPG and click the insert. And next is adjust the transparency of the background picture to 25%. So transparency is to type the 25% and press enter. So question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is apply the medium style 1 SN1 second column first row under the medium to the tables. So apply the medium style ones. So go to the table design tabs and go to the table style groups and apply the medium style SN1s. Medium style 1 SN1s, click OK. And next is change the table style option by changing the banded row checkbox and change the table styles and by the clearing banded row, click the banded row. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is duplicate the slide 4 and next is on slide 5 added the data in the line with the marker charts Microsoft PowerPoint window in the charts A2 to B4 and close the chart Microsoft PowerPoint window. So on slide 4 added the data. So added the data and Microsoft PowerPoint window in the chart range A2 is type 2023 and next is B2 is type 10 and next is A3 is type 2024 and next is B3 is type 12 and next is A3 is type 2025 and B4 is type 11 and close the Microsoft PowerPoint window, click close. And next is apply the morph transition to slide 5. So go to the transitions and click the morph transitions. So next is on a slide 5 and change the duration of the transition to 1.00. So change the duration of the 1.00 and press enter. And next is display the slide 4 and view the slides from the show format the current slides and click the advance to slide 5. Notice the more transitions graph and return the normals. Display the slide 5 and view to the slides from from a current slide. Show from a current slides. Show from a current slides and click the advance on slide 5 and more transition graph and return the. So question number 4 is complete and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is change the height of the video to 3.5. So go to the video format tabs and go to the size groups and change the height of the video is 3.5 and press enter. And next is apply the align middle lines option to the video and align the middle lines. Click the lines and click the line of middles. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is use the chart style buttons and apply the chart style to line charts and close the chart style gallery. Click the chart styles and apply the chart style to. And next is remove the legend from the charts and close the chart elements. And click the remove the legends and close the charts. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is on a slide 3 with the insertion point to the last cell in the second row. Press tab, insert the new row. In the first cell of the inserted row, type the west of the Rockies. So insert the last cells and second row of the table and press tab and insert the new row. So go to the table design and go to the layouts and insert the above row and type the west of the Rockies. So type the west of the Rockies. And next is in the table insert the new column to the right of the first column. Insert the new column to the right of the first column. So insert the right column. Insert the right column. So question number 6 is complete. We move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is on a slide 1 set the duration of the animation applied to the title to 0.01.15. So on a slide 1 and set the duration of the animation in the title. So select the titles and duration of the animation 1.15 and press enter. And next is on a slide 1 apply the fade animation second column first row under the entrance to the subtitle. So select the subtitles and apply the fade animation. So go to the animation tabs and click the fades. And next is on slide 1 and set the animation apply the to the subtitle placeholder to start using the after previous animation start options. Slide 1 and set the animation apply the subtitle and start using the after previous. Go to the timing and click the start after previous. And next is on a slide 1 and set the delay of the animation applied to the subtitle to 0.75. So subtitles is delay, so select the delay and 0.75 and press enter. So question number 7 is complete. We move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is trim a video on slide 2 that it's and the on the timelines. So on slide 2 and trim the video. So trim a video and off and time is 4.991 and click OK. So next is compress the video standards quality and click the file tabs and compress the video in high quality. So standard quality, click OK and click close. So question number 8 is complete. We move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is change the theme color of the presentation to blue. So change the theme color of the presentation to blue. So go to the design tabs and click the theme, go to the variants groups and click the theme color to click the blue. So question number 9 is complete and we move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is from the background style gallery and apply the style 6 to all the slides in the presentations. So format the background style gallery and apply the style 6 to all the slides in the presentations. Go to the design tabs and the variants and background style is to style 6 and click OK. Go to the slide 6 to all slides and click the formats background style to style 6, click OK. And next is on a slide 2 from the background styles and apply the styles 10, second column, third row. On a style 2 and styles and apply the click the background styles. Format the background style is the second column, style 10s. Okay, so question number 10 is complete. We move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is on slide 4, insert the cluster column charts in the left content placeholders. Slide 4 and insert the left contents insert the cluster column charts. Insert the cluster column charts and click OK. So question number 11 is complete. We move to the question number 12. So question number 12 is reset the backgrounds of a slides 3. So reset the background of slide 3. So select the slide 3 and reset the backgrounds. Reset the backgrounds. And next is close the format the background pen and click the close. So question number 12 is complete. We move to the question number 13. So question number 13 is on a slide 4 in the content placeholder on the right insert the line with the marker charts. So on a slide 4 and content placeholders insert the line with the marker charts. On a slide 4 and contents insert the line with the marker charts. Insert the line with the marker charts. Click OK and again OK. And next is A2 type the 2020 in cell A3 is 2021 and then press enter. So select the A2 is type 2020 and next is A3 is type 2021 and press enter. And next is delete the row 5 in the chart range. So select the row 5, right clicks and click the deletes. So question number 13 is complete. We move to the question number 14. So question number 14 is apply the chart style 6 in the first row 6 styles to the charts. So apply the chart style 6. OK. And next is change the chart title to the migration location and the click outside of the chart so that it is not selected. So select the chart titles and type the migration location. So question number 14 is complete. We move to the question number 15. So question number 15 is on a slide 2 animation apply the on a slide 2 and set the animation applied to the title start immediately after the slides transition. On a slide 2 and set the animation is the title. So select the titles and start after the slide transition. So go to the timing groups and click the start after previous. And next is on a slide 2 and set the animation applied to the bulleted list placeholder to the start with the previous animations. So on a slide 2 and set the animation bulleted list, like the bulleted list is the start after previous, bulleted start previous animation, and to set the animation applied the bulleted list start with the previous So question number 15 is complete. We move to the question number 16. So question number 16 is on a slide 2 change the animation order to title placeholder the animation first. On a slide 2 and change the animation orders title in the first and click the move layers. So question number 16 is complete. We move to the question number 17. So question number 17 is On slide 2, apply the fly-in animations to the bulleted list placeholder. So go to the slide 2 and apply the fly-in animation in the bulleted list. So select the bulleted list and apply the fly-in animations. Go to the animation tabs and click the fly-in. And next is change the direction effect option to from a left and effect option to from a left. And next is on slide 2 and apply the fly-ins first row under the interest to the titles placeholder. So select the titles and apply the fly-ins. And next is on slide 3, go to the slide 3, apply the float ends and transmission the picture. So select the pictures and go to the animations and click the float in. Click OK. So question number 17 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses as accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.